Imagine a place where every day feels effortlessly connected. At Potomac Shores, life happens just outside your door, where walkable paths lead you to world-class amenities, scenic river views, and a community designed to bring people together. This is a place where you can stroll to brunch, meet neighbors along the trails, or enjoy an evening overlooking the Potomac River. Resort-style living isn't reserved for weekends here. It's part of everyday life. From the Nicklaus signature golf course to the Tidewater Grill, fitness centers, pools, and miles of wooded trails along the river, Potomac Shores offers an unmatched blend of relaxation, recreation, and natural beauty. Spend your mornings on the trails, afternoons by the pool, and evenings gathered with friends at the social barn or event lawn. Getting around couldn't be easier. Potomac Shores is built for true walkability with a future town center, marketplace, boardwalk, and Central Park all within the community. And with a future VRE station located right here, commuting into Washington, D.C. and surrounding areas will be simple and convenient. No long drives required. This is a low-maintenance, lock-and-leave lifestyle that gives you more freedom to travel, explore, and spend time on what matters most. No exterior maintenance means less to worry about and more time to enjoy everything the community offers. Located just 30 miles from Washington, D.C., Potomac Shores offers an easy access to Fort Belvoir, Quantico, the Pentagon, Alexandria, Arlington, and major shopping and entertainment destinations, all while remaining just minutes from I-95. At Potomac Shores, everything you need to live, play, shop, and commute comes together in one extraordinary community. Come experience what life can look like when it's designed around you. Schedule your private appointment to visit our model homes and meet with our sales representative. We can't wait to welcome you home to Potomac Shores.